Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are building the Nissan Skyline GTR still, and we're at this point. If you haven't been seeing how we've got here, you can go back and watch them because this guy's going to be huge. This bit's a bit flimsy at the moment, so we've got to figure out how to, we've got to build the next part and hopefully stabilise this front end of the car. So yes, let's get on with that. Get two of these pieces. I had a 10 and a half hour work day today. So, done a lot, got the job finished. So, well, next to finished, basically finished. As the other lad I'm working with, well, we were working with another lad as well. And yeah, he's gone back to just finish up a few bits. But he dropped me back to the yard, Sam lad, because it was getting dark and I wasn't really going to be doing much because it wasn't too much to do, I don't believe. So on to something, either finish another job next week or start a new one, I don't know, or both. But now it's Friday, so we can just chill out, good feeling to just relax. All right, and then we'll put that in there. Bosh. All right, got those. That little wheel like that. This thing here, and that. So then, you take this stick. Oh, it's windy outside. Oh boy. Oh, that goes all the way through there. That does not help. Wow, it's windy. It was actually quite cold today. And shock, if you live in the southwest. Shock, it was raining again. It's rained, since, if you didn't know, in the southwest, it's rained since Boxing Day, every day. Not continuously, obviously, but there's been a bit of rain every day since Boxing Day, so that's fun. I think we deserve a day off if it doesn't rain. Oh, enjoy the sunshine. Know what I'm saying? But no, it's not the end of the world. This one? Yeah. Well, there's only two of those anyway, so no smaller ones in that colour. So 6 of that. There they are. 1, 2. Oh, this is going to be sick. 3, 4, 5, 6. If you didn't see the Bugatti Chiron build, you'll see why this is going to be decent. It's going to do the same as what that car did. I'm believing, because these are the same pieces or similar pieces to that. So what you got to do is, number 1, it says that piece sits upright. So this way around. So that's going to be number 1. Then you've got number 2. So then you take another one, put it on this end, and number 2 faces to the side. Oh, put it on then. Wait, is that the right way around? No. Silly me, silly you, silly me. Okay, so put it on that way around. Nice. And then number 3. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm just waffling here. See this bit? There's like there's like a little dent bit there, like a little cutout. You got to have that facing different ways, so they all like line up differently on here. As you can see, one's higher than the other, and then when it rotates, it looks like they just go up and down, up and down, up and down, but they just rotate round and round. They look sick. That's what happened in the Bugatti Chiron. So if you can't wait to see what this looks like with this doing, I think I showed it in the final part of that video. But it's different. I like it. So now I need to face this one the opposite way to number 3. No, this is number 3, so it's the opposite way to number 2. So you put it in that way, slide it down, and you get number 4, and it goes on the same way again as number 3. So then you take it, oh shaky shaky, oh dear, righty then, there you go. Then number 5 goes back and faces the same way as number 2. Again, such a smart mind to just come up with this. It's very, very impressive. Respect. And then this one faces up again. You have something like that. And then when you spin it in the car, it makes it look like the pieces just go, looks like they just go up and down. It looks better when the car's together. But we'll get there. Didn't mention I got put a nail in my hand earlier. Bit sore, just pressed down on it. That was not smart at all. Deary, deary, deary me, I think I've got it in too far. Damn, which way is number 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 1, so that's the shoulder end. That'll do. Get this, put it through the top, like so, and then you put this on the end. Well, I don't think it matters now what way around it goes, it's just going to keep spinning anyway, Just keep spinning, just keep spinning. Okay, not sure if it's meant to be like the same. Oh, that's tight. Nice. Alright, so then I'm going to go all the way on. Okay, so then these go in. That's facing me. Okay, so that's facing me. That's there. So these. Right, so there's just going to be a hole that's going to sit in as well. So we go. Is it this side? So you leave 2 holes, then it's in those 2, then there's 3 holes the other side. So it goes in there, like so. But then the other part, oh, that hole there. I got it, I got it. I think. I hope. I got it. Have I? Come on. Be good to me. Please. Why are you not going in there then? It's not as far as you go, is it? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! I didn't do that. What an idiot. Oh, I'm such a clown. I am such a clown. Didn't push them in. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Right there. I'm going to be driving myself insane. Why didn't I click them in place, you absolute moron? Ah, this again. Go on there, you flipping stupid thing. Ah. Nope. I can. I actually don't know why it's not going in. Come on. Oh, please. Stupid thing. It's annoying. I don't know what happened there. Being a stupid donkey. Alright. Put that in there. Oh my days, just go in there. Utter moron. If I did it right the first time, it wouldn't be a problem, would it? Nah. But I never do anything first time, do I? Oh, I can't actually believe this. So why is that not even level? Can I turn that? Alright, turn that. This is taking too long. Oh, come on. Go in there. Come on. You can't seriously believe that I don't believe you don't go in there. Why are you not going in there? This is such an awkward part of the build, man. Just go in the hole. Please. Please. Please, man. For fuck's sake. This is driving me insane. It shouldn't. It's Lego. It's meant to be chill. Chill vibes. But no. Ah, I can't. I can't. What? How do you put this in there? Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Come on. Come on. I've lined it up. Oh, I've lined you up. Just go in the hole, bruv. Oh, honestly, man. Why are you not going in? This is driving me insane. If you couldn't tell. If you couldn't tell. I don't know why it's not going in. Get your ass in the hole, bro. How hard is it? It's your job. It's what you were built to do. Do your job. Do what you were made to do, bruv. Get me. Get in there. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Now, don't be an idiot and push these things in. Or do something that sounds like you snapped something. There you go. There you go. Do that first time. Wouldn't have a blooming problem, would we? Sausage. That's why now it's sturdy. Joke. What an idiot. Never mind, eh? We move. We've done it. We got it going. We'll get this one now. Crazy. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's the engine there. So the engine's at the front of this car. Cool. About time. Now we can move on. No, we can't. We're supposed to do these. Don't forget to do that. Push the blue clips in to keep it locked in. Alright. Come on. Focus. I've had a long day at work, but still. It's just Lego. Build it as it's said to build in the instructions. Follow the instructions and you can't go wrong. Apparently. I can. Oh, there's two pieces there. I just slapped that one. Cool. Okay. Now, we want... Let me just put it in there. So this... What way does that go in? guessing. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. I'm going to try and make you see more. I keep just doing it and not really explaining stuff. I don't think this matters, but I'm going to poke this in this way. Join in the second hole up. And that one joins it. I don't know how. How do you join in there then? That's in the way. Are you sure? Well, apparently it does. So that's what we're going to do. That's going to sit in there. That's going to go in there. And we're going to put it together. Like that. There we go. That's apparently what that does. Okay. Okay. And then that all turns that. Okay, nice. We're getting somewhere now. Flipping clocked on. Yikes. Alright. Now these. Okay, I see it. This side goes on there. Oh, you donkey. Don't break it. Heavy-handed. If you haven't seen my other videos, well, the main one, the Peach Blossom pool build. Let's not talk about that too much. Way too heavy-handed to build something that delicate. This is quite steady. I'll try and show you what I just did this side. It's exactly the same. If you can see it. There's like 3 little blue pegs in here, and then this just sits on them. Hopefully holds it all together. So it just sits in there. Now you can't see the blue pegs. Well, you can if you look really closely. But yeah, get somewhere with it now. Naughty. Bit of a funny 5 minutes, but we made it. Persevered. It's the main thing. And I just do unedited videos because, you know, things go wrong. Life, innit? Things go wrong. You just gotta deal with it, go through with it, get it done. Try again. And I'm not just gonna be like the channel that always gets everything right. It doesn't happen like that. Does not happen that simply. So you'll see the struggles, you'll see the errors, and me taking things apart, putting it back together, because it is what it is. So this one joins in this one. Yeah, if you are still watching, please leave a like and smash that subscribe button. Like, so close. I don't know if I've hit 50 yet while I'm recording. I hope so. What a number, 50. If I haven't, and I'm on 49 still, could you please smash that like subscribe button and push it into the 50. Yeah, the 50 number, 50 subscribers. It's crazy. Never thought I'd get anywhere near 50 this quick. I just literally started building Lego because I bought something from my parents on my 30th birthday, and I was like, I really enjoyed building that. So I haven't really recorded much of the stuff I've built. I wish I did now, but just recently thought about making videos on it. And yeah, I'm hoping you're enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying building them. Wrong end. Oh no, it's not. I mean, it doesn't really matter. The two's both ends, so never mind. Just click that. I don't even think it matters where the number is. I don't really understand what the point of the 2 is, but where the numbers are. Oh, there we go. We've got this thing going. I don't know what it is. We'll have a look. We've got this little piece here. I reckon one more video and we'll be finished with bag 4. So tomorrow we should be finishing bag 4 of this crazy Nissan SKYLINE GTR. Actually insane. Got it upside down. Put that in there. Can't believe it took me that long to figure out that I got it upside down. But there. Alright, then just one of these. That sits in this end here, but don't push it all the way yet. And I'm not going to forget to push it all the way in when it's part of the car, because otherwise it will just collapse on me. So yeah, that goes in there, and that slots down in there. Beautiful. And yeah, I don't really understand that, but hopefully that all works. We'll find out. But I'll leave it there. We'll have one more video tomorrow and we'll finish bag 4. So we'll be nearly halfway through the build. And we've already got this absolute machine. The NOS cannons in there, or NOS, what are they called? Let me know in the comments if you know what they're called. I can't remember. NOS canisters. Never mind. NOS canisters. We've got the seats in there. We've now got the engine built today. So we'll see what the rest of the bag holds tomorrow. And then, you know, onwards and upwards from there. If you are enjoying this, please leave a like. You can comment in the comment section, you know, questions or what you want to see in the future. One more subscriber and I could probably do a live video sometime. It'll have to be like a Friday or Saturday. Like Friday evening or Saturday sometime. But yeah, I will leave it there. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow for the next video. Cheers. See you later.